Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for the support, for watching this video. I will release some videos about Python and user interface. To do that, I create a simple application. I'm gonna run. It's a simple application. The user can insert some input one. We can print, we can change the background color of the application. I also created another interface, so interface 2. We can print some text, we can print here, or we can get the input from the interface 1 to the interface 2 here. Or we can go back and put another text, and we can go to the interface 2 and get that text. So this is a simple application that I built. In the future, I have some plans to release more videos about PyQt5 and use from Python to solve some problems of engineering. So thank you guys for watching. I apologize about my accent, about my English. So thank you guys. Subscribe the channel, it will grow. Subscribe, give the like. So thank you guys and to the next.